Hey boys and girls, welcome to your math lesson today. Today we're going to go over counting by tens. It's called skip counting by tens. And I'm going to hold up some numbers and we're going to count from 10 to 100, okay? Also on your page today you'll find a couple of links to songs. And the more you sing them, the more it'll become repetitious for you and you'll learn it a lot better. But here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so we're going up by tens, all of them in zero, and they all go in a special order, like 1, 0, 2, 0, and it goes all the way up until we have 10 and a 0 at 100. All right, so we're going to keep practicing counting by tens. We're also going to look at how we write them, how we write the numbers, and then how we can count. We can also use our fingers. We have 10 fingers. If you hold up 10, we could go like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. All right, I'm going to share the screen and we're going to look at tracing some numbers because we're still having a little hard time writing some numbers, some of our friends. All right, so we're going to start with this number here. What is this number? Say it with me. 10. What's next? 20. This is where you make your 2 and a 0. 30 is a 3 and a 0. 40, 4, 0. 50 is a 5 and a 0. Okay, and this is like our 10 frame, so it's the same thing. It's putting in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we add a 0 each time. Okay, and so it's very important that you guys keep practicing how to write your numbers so you can write these numbers correctly. Okay, all right, so we got to 50. What's next? 60, good. 70 comes after 7. 80. What's next? 90 and 100. Good. So it just takes us 10 different numbers to get from 10 to 100. Okay, at the bottom of this page it says skip count. And that's what we're doing with the fingers, okay? So let me move the paper the right way. All right, so we start off with 10, say with me, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, I'm sorry guys that you can't see any of that. I'll go back over it. I apologize. And 100. All right, so you couldn't see the bottom because I had something up on the screen. I'm so sorry. So here we go. 10, say with me, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Good job. Good job. So I'm going to add a couple of songs on your class kick I want you to listen to today as well. And I'll put some worksheets on there today that you're going to count by tens. You're going to count by tens. But let's do it one more time together. Let me stop sharing this. And before we go, okay? We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay, good job, guys. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. Count to your parents. Count to your teacher. Count to your stuffed animals. Practice counting by tens. All right, guys, you guys have a great day. Do your work, and we'll see you again tomorrow.